Hi there, myself Haripriya. Today the topic is how to prepare for the jam session as per an HR. First of all, familiar with the jam session rules. That is, you should talk 1 minute on a given topic without any deviation, hesitation from you. And next, familiar with the time management. Practice the time management. You may not finish the given topic in 1 minute time, so practice with some of the topics so you may get familiar with the actual talk when you are in any interview. Improve your vocabulary. By improving your vocabulary, you can express your ideas more clearly to them. So practice reading books and listening podcasts and listening to lectures to be clear with your vocabulary more. And enhance general knowledge. Most of the topics in jam sessions are asked on the general knowledge topics like current affairs and which are the topics are on trending. So be prepared with the topics when you attend for the jam sessions. Practice spontaneous speaking. Grab any of the topics randomly and practice talking on the topics on the spot without prior preparation. Listen actively to some of the jam talks, especially in the practice sessions, so you can learn about their mistakes, what to, and also seek feedback from the recordings of the jam session. Record them and actively listen to them and seek feedback from your friends, family and colleagues. Lastly, stay composed and calm. Nervousness is actually common for all of us when you speak continuously just for 1 minute or 5 minutes. So be confident on what you have prepared and also maintain eye contact with all of them when you are in your jam sessions.